Hey, what's up, guys? This video is about how I day trade cryptocurrency. Okay, so right now we are inside of the Robinhood app. This is where I trade cryptocurrency. I also will be using Coinbase. I'm not using Coinbase right now. So for illustration purposes, I will be showing you my journey and how I trade crypto through Robinhood. So let's take a look at this is I call it my op list. These are all of the cryptos that I follow in Robinhood. You have Compound, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Shiba Inu, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. Now, I don't day trade all of them because I day trade the ones I'm most familiar with, and that would be Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and I have traded Litecoin and Polygon, not as much, but I would probably be venturing into a couple of other ones. But for now, it's Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum primarily. But let's look at my technique and strategy and how I do it. So let's go up to the king of all crypto, Bitcoin. All right, so Bitcoin is set up, their chart is set up very similar to Cash App investing. You have, except actually their chart, it's different in a way because the thing that's better in Robinhood, it gives you the hourly chart. Cash App does not offer that, but Cash App does offer you, like when you're going across the chart, it does give you the share price like right there. But in here, it still gives you, like if you're on a stock, it still gives you the share price. It's just up here by the current price. So I would say Robinhood kind of wins out in that battle because they give you everything Cash App gives you on top of the hourly chart. So here we go. This is the last hour of Bitcoin's performance, and let's kind of drag back across here, and you can see around 5:52 p.m. This is Tuesday afternoon or Tuesday evening, and so it was around 0.2% down for the day. And as you can see, Bitcoin is extremely volatile all the time. So it's going up and down, up and down. So if you're going to day trade, when I day trade, because I'm not suggesting you do it. This is not financial advice. So this is just my journey and how I do it. If you day trade or swing trade, do so after doing your own research and invest only what you can afford. All right. So again, with it being very volatile, what I do is I buy the dip. So you have a support level down here. See, you can see the support level in the past hour is around $21,070. And Bitcoin right now is worth $21,229 for one Bitcoin. So if we go back to, like I said, around 5:50 p.m. and go up to about 6:01, it moved a little bit, and it's kind of hard to see that. It's in very small print. Let's see. Yeah, when it's in red letters, it's kind of hard to see that, but when it turns green, it's going in the positive. So let's kind of go to the next dip. So as you can see, it's down like 0.33, and then it goes up. Now it's in the positive. It goes all the way up to like 0.18%. So that's about 38%. So if you go from 6:09 p.m. to 6:14, it went up like 0.38%. So let's just say if you got in right here and you put in $100, you would have like 38 cents. So I'm using $100 because like if of course when I day trade I put in more than that to day trade, but let's say $1,000. So if you had $1,000 in that little short window right there, you would have made $3.80. Okay, so that's a little bit better. All right, so then you come back down here. Let's just say you bought the dip here. The resistance is kind of at 21,085, and so you're down looks like it's 0.18%, and then you go up. Let's just say you hold it from 6:34 p.m. all the way up here to about 6:45. So you're up about 0.50% roughly from here to here. So that's 0.5%. So like if you had $1,000 invested, you're looking at $5, which is half. Like 1% is $10. So you would have made $5 from right here. So you have $3 over here. So you had $8 that you made in that hour of time if you invested $1,000 on those dips. And so let's look at the daily chart. This is the past 24 hours. So as you can see, it gives you a little bit more, shows you a little bit more of what took place over the past day. Like I said, it's very volatile. And again, crypto it's a little different than trading stocks. Now you can day trade crypto. You can place 50 trades in one day. You have no restrictions on that. That's one beautiful thing about crypto. It can be a dangerous thing as well, depending on how you look at it. Because if you don't know what you're doing, or if you aren't strategic and have a plan, you can definitely lose your money. So if you do like I do and you buy the dip and you have a strategy in place for buying the dip, meaning dollar cost averaging, what I would do is I would put in, like, say on a dip, I would put in like $50. And I didn't mean to switch over to compound. Let's go back over here, Bitcoin. Okay, so I would put in like $50. So let's just say you're at the support level and it continues to dip. It doesn't go up like you think it will. So what I would do, I would watch it, and if it dips, say another 0.5% or another percent, I would then put in $100, which is double the initial investment of $50. So I'm lowering, just like a stock, I'm lowering my cost. And let me remind you, this is a fractional share of one Bitcoin that I'm investing. So $50 is not going to buy you one Bitcoin. It's a fractional share, but you can still gain or lose, just like if you own one whole Bitcoin. So Robinhood does allow you to buy fractional shares, which is a wonderful thing for the novice, for the beginner investor to get their feet wet. All right. So, and here's my thing. This is extremely important. What you can do, what I did was I experimented, and and look, guys, I don't recommend you starting out doing this with $50, $100 if you have no experience doing it. So put in $1, because you can buy as little as $1 as a fractional share. So put in $1 and kind of go off of and see what it does, and create a strategy, and in time maybe up that to $5, and then if it dips, double it to $10 until you gain, and then sell when you're comfortable with your, say, 1 or 2%, 3% profit. Sell it, and then watch it, and when you get that entry point again, that sweet entry point, throw another $5 in there, and just take your little small profits. And like I said, you're not trying to eat with that or pay bills with that, but you just want to get your feet wet and create a solid strategy for when you do up it, if you choose to do that, and you try to make a small, maybe a meager or small income off of it. Now, there are people that do this and they do it full time. There are people that do this with thousands of dollars, millions of dollars on a daily basis. And then, there have been people that have made a lot of money, and there are people that have lost a lot of money doing this. So that's why I say definitely do your research. Don't just, go off of my opinions. Just, do your research and hey, check out other guys out there online that are, that go into depth with their crypto reviews. So I have no issue with that. I mean, I greatly appreciate you all checking out my videos, and I greatly appreciate your well thought out comments as well. And I will continue to do these videos. And if you have any questions about my journey and what I do, please leave those in the comments. And the reason why I'm not showing you a live trade is because I don't have a good entry point right now. As you can see, Bitcoin is kind of up in the past hour, so that's not a good entry point. I'm gonna wait until it comes down, or I may come down here and see if everything that's green right now is up. So right now is not the greatest time for me to get into a quick day trade. So what I'll do is when that happens, I will record a video showing you the results of my next day trade, because I'm gonna get more into this, because I trade stocks, but I also do trade crypto, and I trade stocks a little bit more than crypto, as you can tell in my videos, but still I will dedicate time to this as well, because I think there is money to be made on this side of the track as well. All right, y'all have a good evening.